这里是世界上海拔最高的火烈鸟栖息地，这里的夜晚非常寒冷，连盐水湖都会结冰，这些火烈鸟就被冻在了冰里。
Eventually, the sun thins the ice, but it's still a struggle for the flamingos to break free. Walking on thin ice is always risky. The sun's power can quickly turn from salvation to threat. The atmosphere is so thin, there is very little protection from ultraviolet radiation. By mid-morning, it's risky to linger out in the open.
这么高的温度似乎无法妨碍到火烈鸟，事实上，它们正在列队游行。
During the breeding season, the flamingos perform these peculiar courtship dances even through the hottest time of the day. They're so eager, they don't even pause to feed. The rules are something of a mystery, but after a month of dancing, all the birds will have paired off and will be getting ready to mate. Up here, there are few other creatures to bother the flamingos, but then few other creatures could even tolerate these conditions.